This course was quite enlightening because it gave us an opportunity to understand what is the current trends that is being followed in the industry.
Welcome to Sci Focus by Biopatrika. Myself, Dr. Taruneet Kaur, your host for today. Today we are having our guest, Mr. Rohan Shetty. Mr. Rohan Shetty is working as a lab manager at HiMedia Pvt Ltd, India. So I welcome you, Mr. Rohan, on behalf of Biopatrika.
Thank you, and it's been a good pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rohan. So, Mr. Rohan, can you please briefly tell us about yourself and your current role, please?
Right now, I'm working in HiMedia, where I play the role of a lab manager. I'm looking after the overall activities in the cell biology lab which is located in Thane, Mumbai. And apart from that, I'm also monitoring the bioprocess team, which is working on developing of media for CHO cells. So in this team, we right now are functioning with 20 glass bioreactors from Eppendorf, Sartorius, bioengineering, and two more 50-liter bioreactors are been going to be commissioned in the next month from Biozine.
Okay.
So overall, my expertise is mostly in the microbial fermentation, and I have an experience of 9 years in this same field.
Okay. So good to know about your profile. So next, as you recently attended this CBT course series, so I would like to know that how this course has benefited you.
This course was quite enlightening because it gave us an opportunity to understand what is the current trends that is being followed in the industry. And as it was also coupled with the academic research that is being carried out in IIT. So it gave us a two-way sight into the industry as well as the academic. And also it helped us to also connect with the different vendors who had also arrived in that same occasion. So it was a overall quite knowledge-filled experience.
Okay. So could you please tell us the module which you actually attended and what were the benefited topics in that module?
I attended the microbial fermentation-based production of biotherapeutics. So in that module, the talks that were given by Professor Komis, Dr. Velu, and Dr. Dhananjay Patankar. All these were mostly related to my field, and it helped me to understand more specifics that are important for the critical parameter controls. And also, since I've not been exposed to computational data analytics first, I think the lecture from Dr. James was quite refreshing to see how we are moving towards more advanced computational data analytics for process controls and all the critical parameters to be monitored.
Okay.
I guess that was the most interesting part of it.
Okay, good to know that. Did you also find some networking opportunities with different attendees and participants in this series course?
Yes, as we had the opportunity during the breaks times to interact with all the other participants and also the guest lecturers, it was a very interesting experience because most of the problems that we had faced, the dignitaries in the as the guest lectures were very kind to explain and to also help us out with some of the industrial tips that I would say, which is very much coming from the vast experience that they had. So all that was very helpful during the interactions. And also the vendor booths. Actually, I had the opportunity to go to the vendor booths also. So they were also providing us with good new technologies to be used for further applications.
Yeah, great. So do you look forward to attend this next year as well?
Yes, surely. If this happens in the next to 2023, I'll be definitely attending it, and I think I will also suggest my colleagues to join me in this time.
Yeah, thank you so much for your valuable thoughts. I think this knowledge and the experience coming from you would actually help the other scholars to understand that how these kind of course series are helpful for them, and they will also be encouraged to attend it. And of course, networking with different participants and especially the vendors which you have added would definitely increase the scientific horizon of the participants, and they would be able to understand and implement it in their scientific career. So I would again like to thank you, Mr. Rohan, for taking out precious time of your schedule, and we wish you a great day ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Same to you.